Kids, we will trace letter A, B, C, D. Letter A to Z. Let's start. Orange color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. Yellow color. Kids, we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. Kids, we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. Letter F. Kids, this is letter G. G. This is letter H. I. J. Kids, this is letter K. K. Now we are tracing letter L. L. Kids, we are tracing letter M. This is letter N. We are tracing letter N. Violet color. Kids, we are tracing letter O. Pink color. This is letter P. Kids, we are tracing letter Q. This is letter R. S. Kids, this is letter T. U. V. Kids, we are tracing letter W. Now we are tracing letter X. This is letter Y. Kids, we are tracing letter Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Kids, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.